Hey y'all, welcome to my new and improved ponytail series. Today's main topic, as you can see, is a braided ponytail. After I rubber band separated a mini piece of her braiding hair, I'm going to start braiding. You want to make sure you're tucking in her natural hair behind the weave and braiding tightly for a long-lasting braid. I noticed little flyaways of her natural hair sticking out. I go in with my Maury's hair dressing pomade, pass it on the flyaways, and spray that area with got-to-be spray. Then I brush and blow dry her on cool. Now pay close attention. I'm going to snap off little flyaways on the braiding hair, grab my best blow dryer, snap on a flathead on there, turn her on high heat, pass her slowly on that braid, and just watch. The heat of the blow dryer is literally straightening any kinky hair that the braiding hair naturally has, and it's making it that smooth, straight, bone, silky look. I had and did the wraparound using my Maury's pomade to straighten it as I wrap it around. And just look at that braid. Girl. Okay, so this is another important step. When you're dipping that hair, do not dip it all the way. Just pour some of the hot water in that middle section. That's it. When drying, make sure you're patting it flat, not side to side. I finished with my oil-free shine spray and she is done.